Hello. This is Mr. Masugu speaking, and we are. I'm just gonna break down a little bit of information for you. As you can see here, I'm on the DXY chart, which is the dollar index. Let me just do this. Just hold on. Let me just put my watermark back on. This is the dollar index chart. Yes, and it looks like the dollar is actually gaining more power and more momentum. So this means that other currencies will be going down. Currencies like EU, GU, gold, and other currencies as well that are actually inversely correlated with the dollar. Okay, yes. So we can see that means USD JPY is going up, and other currencies. So as we can see from here, we had our bullish flag to the upside over there, and also looking at this interesting area where price actually reversed and price started to go up. We're looking at this interesting area, which is the order block in this case. So this is the only candle that caused the movement to go all this whole movement was caused by this candle over here. So market had to come tap on that order block then go up, because when market broke structure over there, it didn't come and tap on that order block and go up, and when it also broke here, it didn't come and tap on the order block and actually go all the way up. So the market had to come back down, tap on the order block. And what was market doing when it was coming down? It was creating liquidity within these areas here, and also this is liquidity. So there's a buy side liquidity that the market has to go up and take out. Then this is a sell side liquidity that the market had to come down and take out. So you could actually say this is a trend line liquidity right over there. There's a trend line liquidity. So let's just do that and put liquidity right there. Okay, this is a trend line liquidity, so that the market can be able to come down, take it out on this order block right here, and you would have your beautiful trade to the upside. So as you see this, you know that on EU you're supposed to be seeing a sell. So let's just go on EU a little bit for us. Let's just go on EU a little bit and see what exactly is happening. Let me just remove these drawings over here. Okay, so EU, as you can see, the market is actually going down. The market is heading down. What happened in this here? How would we have caught this trade? So we have right there, the market was going up, going up, going up, and the market broke uh, that low over there, this last low here, making it a change of character. Then the next thing that the market is going to do is going to come to the candle, the last candle, last bullish candle, where it didn't reach over there, but it came to the supply area over here. It came to the supply area, and as you can see, that was a really good area where one could have actually gotten a sell trade right over here, even here as well. So as you can see, it also came, broke through that structure over there. So yeah, after it broke through, it went back to this order block, tapped right on it. So let's just mark it out. Let's just mark it out and tapped on that order block. Then the market came all the way flying down. So if you had your position right there, though this one is a bit tricky for me, I would want to get a position from somewhere maybe over here and put my stop loss above there, which is about 9 pips, and with my take profit below right over here with my take profit. So I'll still be in this trade. But if you were to risk it and actually put, oh, sorry about that. Let me just remove, okay, let me just remove this. Yeah, if you were to risk it and actually put your position right over there at the beginning of that order block, with your stop loss is still be 9.8 pips, close to 10 pips with your position with your item over there. So that is a 1:10 trading right now. You're still profiting in the money, but nevertheless, this is at around 2 in the morning, 1 in the morning. So definitely I wouldn't be awake around 3, 1, 2 in the morning. I wouldn't be awake at this time, so I would have actually missed this trade. But nevertheless, I'm sure that there are other people who trade the Asian session. During the Asian session, they would have actually caught this trade, a beautiful trade to the downside, and it's a lovely following what the DXY is actually doing in these areas, as you can see. So yeah, we can see how we can be able to catch this trade. So let's check on GU, whether we would have look at that Look at GU. What a beautiful H&S that I drawn last time. Beautiful H&S. Your target would have been wow, 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 wow. This was where when I saw the trade that this left shoulder was going to bring us, so I put it above right over there. This is a 21 pip stop loss and targeting that low over there. This would have been a 1:7 trade, close to 152 pips in the money in this beautiful head and shoulder pattern right here that played out pretty well. So there's a bit of consolidation to have worked out on your psychology, but well, we need to work on our psychology, in fact. So even if you'd caught it right over here and you had reduced your stop loss to above there, if you'd caught it on this area here, let's just take a look at that area. If you'd caught it in this on this block over here because of that break over here, because of this. So if you'd taken it up on this area right in this supply zone or order block, beautiful trade right over there. See, beautiful trade right at the beginning of that. There is your 11 pip stop loss and targeting your this right here, this order block, this low order block here, right at the beginning of that. So you would have had your 1:11 trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade that you'd have caught there. But nevertheless, I'm not a fan of holding out during the night and the next day due to swaps and all that. Yeah, well, I'm not a good fan of that. Let's also check on the US 30. US 30, I was anticipating that the market would actually come down way before long back. I was anticipating that the market would actually come all the way down, and look at that, the market is actually coming down. It's actually forming lower lows and lower lows. So yeah, and then we look at the Zhao, a beautiful trade also on Zhao that we would have caught over there. So I'd assume that the market would go up and go all the way down, but the market didn't actually do that. Instead, the market went up right there where I said it would reverse from. It reversed, took out some positions, some buy orders over there. The markets decided to come up, took out some stop losses, trapped more sellers there, people like me, and the market came back, and now it came back, retraced right at this order block right over here. As you can see, we are almost above that order block, and the market is actually consolidating. So we might actually move to the upside, then move to the downside, or we could actually see market going all the way down on this H1 time frame on the gold trade. This is gold. Let me just do that and put back my watermark. This is Xiao USD on the H1 time frame, and this was GBP USD. So let's just put back that watermark. Let's put that, yeah. So this was DXY and EU. Let's just put that on EU watermark. Yeah, so this was actually the trade that I would have placed, and it worked out beautifully. Even the buys that were there and the sells that were there. So you should always check on the dollar index whenever you're trading. Check on the dollar index on what's currently happening. If you're trading any USD pair, check on the dollar index what is exactly happening. You can even start it from the daily time frame and see exactly what is going on, what the market wants to do, so that you can be able to anticipate moves that actually the market wants to make. As you can see in this area, there was actually fair value gap there, so the market went tapped that out, and the market is going back up, and this looks like a bullish flag. And as you can see here, the market is actually on an uptrend, and here it has to come and take out this high over here and cover up all this imbalance over here. So we're still in a bullish uptrend when it comes to the dollar. So we're actually awaiting the market, that the market could actually make moves to the upside right over there. So we're actually waiting that the market could make moves to the upside, maybe start reversing over there. I don't know. Anything could happen in the markets. So we're anticipating that the market could actually do that. And safe trading out there, guys. Be careful out there, and have a wonderful trading session.